Hey dolls, we would like to introduce you to our Pro Eyeshadow Palette 3.0. This palette contains 12 gorgeous shades that have cool to warm tones, so it's perfect for any occasion. All of the shades in this palette are poured, not pressed, so there's little to no fallout when you use the shadows. We also used a unique cream to powder formula, so all of the shades are easy to blend. We invite you to create your own love story with our Pro Eyeshadow Palette 3.0. Whether your love story is falling in love for the first time or discovering love in oneself, this palette is there to create any love story that is yours. For my love story, I'm going to be using these 4 shades: Hazel, Latte, Slate, and Halo. First, I'm going to be using the shade Hazel, and I'm going to take the fluffy side of our number 10 brush to outline my crease. Next, using the same side of the brush, I'm going to dip into the shade Slate to outline the outer corner of my lid. Next, using the flat side of the brush, I'm going to go into the shade Latte to apply all over my lid. Finally, taking the shade Halo, I'm going to highlight the inner corner of my eye up to my brow bone. And this is my final love story look using our brand new Pro Eyeshadow Palette 3.0. Thank you dolls for following along. I hope you can all create your own love story using this new palette. Bye!